There are two tools that are commonly used in scalping, EMA 9/21 and VWAP. EMA is quick and simple and helps you see short-term momentum. VWAP also gives a different view of fair market price based on volume. In this video, we put these two together, so you can see which one is more accurate and which one gives less fake signals for quick scalping. Before we get to EMA and VWAP, we need to understand something important. The market doesn't move like a straight line, but is controlled by smart money, that is banks and big players. What we call price movement is actually the result of where big money is coming in and where it's going out. The structure that used to trap me a lot. Smart money usually moves in 3 phases. Accumulation, where the market is quiet but smart money is coming in manipulation. Price makes a crazy move to fool retail traders. Distribution. The main move starts and the trend is formed. Regarding EMA and VWAP. Now here's where it gets interesting. The 9/21 EMA usually just follows the fast price movement. That is, it reacts more to the market's appearance. But VWAP goes a step deeper, because it shows you where the market is really seeing fair value based on trading volume. So far, we've understood how smart money moves the market, and what EMA and VWAP each show. Now here's the important part. Let's compare these two side by side in a real scalping situation to see exactly which one in a fast market it fakes less and responds better. This thing we have called VWAP Standard Deviation Bands version 2 mod the Yangguizi is actually an independent indicator. VWAP tells you where is the fair market price. Standard deviation bands tell you how far the price is from this fair value. That is, when the price approaches the lower band, the probability of a reversal increases. When it reaches the upper band, the probability of a correction or reversal increases. That is how it is. But I don't look at it that way. Why? Because, as you can see, whenever the price hits the red lines in terms of ceiling, it always falls. I have never seen it cross those red lines, or, conversely, whenever it hits the green lines, it becomes supported and goes up. One of the most important points that this strategy has is that it itself indicates the area where it is going to fall. Even in a range situation, it confirms itself up and down. When the price hits the ceiling, it falls, and when it hits the floor, it goes up. This is one of the most important positive points of this strategy. Now, if you ask me which lines should I use to enter, you asked a very good question. Let's go ahead and say that usually when momentum and price strength are higher, the last lines, that is 3 or 4, are either support or resistance. When momentum is low or the goal is to collect liquidity, the price returns from lines 1 or 2. But at this moment, you can also get help from FVG or order block. As you can see, I drew it now and I am using it. One important point is the line that is flat. Do you see the line that is flat? This line is moving like EMA, but smoothly. When the line turns green and our lines also turn green, we can enter. And when the line turns red, resistance can be confirmed from the red lines to enter the sell. So this tool is not just a simple VWAP. It is a kind of map that shows you when the market is too cheap or too expensive. So the result is that this signal can get good confirmations. Now let's move on to EMA 9 and 21. This is one of the simplest and most widely used scalping tools. EMA 9 reacts faster and shows the momentary price movement. EMA 21 gives a softer view of the short-term trend. Important confirmations, very important for becoming a professional. To make the signal stronger, don't just look at the cross. 1. Market structure. If you have a higher low, then long is more valid. If you have a lower high, then short is more valid too. Candle momentum. Strong and consecutive candles in the direction of the trend equals good confirmation. Weak and shaded candles equals fake warning. A very important point is that in the EMA range trend, salting is also good and natural, because the momentum is very high and the fake rate has increased. This usually happens after distribution moves to collect liquidity, so when liquidity is collected, you can enter. Because after the market liquidity has been proven, either the power of buyers has increased or the power of sellers has increased, we can take it as an entry confirmation based on the market structure, such as when the price breaks this ceiling. Broken and pullback to the FIBO area, the FVGIFC area has reached. You can place a buy order or vice versa for selling. It can be seen like this. Now, a very important part that many ignore. Even the best setups can destroy your account without risk management. Stop loss. For EMA, the stop is usually placed behind the last swing high/low. For VWAP bands, the stop is usually placed outside the opposite band or behind the reaction area. Stop loss can always be lines 2 or 3 when the momentum is low, but if the momentum goes up, like 4, we can use fib extension like this. Pro tip: even if your setup has a 50% win rate, with proper risk management, you can be profitable in the long run. You trade. It doesn't matter how many trades you make a profit. The important thing is that when you make a mistake, the market can't destroy your account. The important thing is for you to trade according to your own rules. I am very happy that I came to the videos myself. I gave the best explanations, and from now on it will be the same. Thank you for your support so that I can publish better videos soon, from challenges to how to grow with very small capital. EMA is faster and good for seeing momentum, but sometimes it fakes. VWAP also gives you a more accurate picture of the real value of the market with volume. When you record the best results in terms of risk management, the main growth will happen gradually, so there is no need to be afraid when opening a position. In the future, I want to be closer to you. Maybe I will come to the page myself so that I can talk to you better and record a video. I will also bypass the voice of artificial intelligence. I will come myself with my own voice and with attractive live trades. Maybe I will also give signals. So thank you for your support. If this comparison was useful for you, subscribe, because in the next videos we will go deeper into the entry and exit setups. And in the comments, which one do you use more, EMA or VWAP, which gives you better confirmations to enter and a more logical view. If you want to do live trading, write in the comments and I will start live trading. And if you want to have one of the best confirmations and strategies, you can click on the playlist above and you will be shown a lot of better videos with good confirmation.